Can a phone be thoroughly checked for privacy vulnerabilities? In today's digital age, privacy concerns are at the forefront of many people's minds. Just yesterday, a major report highlighted the growing risks associated with mobile devices. As smartphones become more integrated into our lives, the question many are asking is, can a phone be thoroughly checked for privacy vulnerabilities? If you are worried about your personal data, you are not alone. Let's break down how you can ensure your phone is secure. Yes, a phone can be thoroughly checked for privacy vulnerabilities through a combination of manual and automated security testing methods tailored to mobile devices. This process typically involves penetration testing, static and dynamic code analysis, and compliance checks against known security standards. Mobile application penetration testing is one key method. Security experts simulate attacks on mobile applications to identify weaknesses. These include improper platform usage, insecure data storage, weak authentication, and insufficient encryption. This testing covers both iOS and Android platforms and often reveals issues that automated tools miss. Static application security testing is another important method. This involves automated scanning of the application's source code to detect coding errors and vulnerabilities before deployment. This helps catch flaws that could lead to data leaks or unauthorized access. Dynamic application security testing is also essential. This tests the running application to find security issues in real time, such as insecure communication channels or authorization flaws. Additionally, application programming interface security testing evaluates the security of back-end services that mobile applications relying on. This ensures that data exchanges are protected against interception or manipulation. Third-party component scanning is crucial as well. This audits all external libraries and frameworks used by the application to ensure they are up to date and free from known vulnerabilities. Outdated dependencies are a common source of security risks. Encryption and authentication checks verify that strong encryption protocols protect sensitive data. Robust authentication methods, such as biometrics combined with two-factor authentication, can significantly reduce unauthorized access. Finally, reviewing permission and privacy settings is vital. Assessing application permissions and device settings can limit unnecessary access to location, contacts, or other sensitive data. Users can also adopt privacy-focused browsers, limit application permissions, and use encrypted communication applications to enhance privacy. While these methods can identify many vulnerabilities, absolute assurance is difficult. New threats and exploits continuously emerge, making regular security assessments and updates necessary to maintain privacy protections over time.